A magnitude 3.6 earthquake struck about 12.4 miles northeast of Maricopa, southwest of Bakersfield, Wednesday evening, USGS reports. The quake was felt throughout western Kern County, including Bakersfield, as residents reported noticeable shaking in homes and businesses. The epicenter had a depth of about 13.4 kilometers. Thankfully, no major damage or injuries have been reported so far. If you felt the quake, you're encouraged to report it to the USGS Felt Report page. It's also wise to check your home for structural safety, secure heavy items, and prepare for aftershocks. Get our app for important weather updates.